So hello again, this is Larry Feigert, and we're talking about trees that are on the Greater Jacksonville Agricultural Fair Duval County Forest Ecology Contest. So right now we're looking at a sweet gum. First, before we get into the tree, I want to recommend to come by the Jacksonville Arboretum. There are lots of the trees that are on the and plants that are on the contest right here, easy to find at the Arboretum. So back to sweet gum. Earlier we talked about opposite and alternate leaves. So one of the things you might look at and say, oh, well, this looks like a maple because the leaves are lobed like a maple. We talked about 3 lobes on the red maple. But if you look at the branch attachment, this is opposite where we talked about earlier the maples were alternate. And so it's always very important, one of the first questions, is it a simple leaf and what is the branch attachment? Because that is going to get you headed down the right path versus the wrong path. So the sweet gum, and if you look at this, it's a little chewed up, but there's 5 lobes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, typically in a sweet gum, although it's not always the case. If you look at this one, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lobes. And so you kind of got to look at the general shape of the tree. Now we're looking back here and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lobes, like are in most sweet gums. Again, what makes it different than a red maple is that these are alternate branch attachments versus opposite. The other thing about a sweet gum is the bark is really pebbly. And so if you look at it, it's not smooth like a red maple would be. It's very rough and pebbly. And this will keep this way until it gets to be a large tree. So that's a little bit about sweet gum. Hopefully, if it's on the contest, you'll be able to figure that one out.